Good morning, students. Welcome to your science class. Dear students, we were studying about reaching the age of adolescence. In the previous part of video, we have studied about adolescence and puberty and different sex hormones. Now we study about reproductive phase of human life. Now, we have learned that during the period of adolescence, the reproductive organs they develop, okay? And at that time only pituitary gland secretes hormone that stimulate the testes and ovaries. Means adolescence के time पे ही सारे reproductive organs they get mature and pituitary gland secrete the hormone जो testes and ovaries को मेल्स के अंदर जो रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन है दैट इज टेस्टिस एंड पेनिस दे डेवलप कम्प्लीटली एंड द टेस्टिस दे बिगेन टू प्रोड्यूस स्पर्म्स दैट इज मेल गैमीट्स उनको मेल गैमीट्स भी कहते हैं and the reproductive phase in males it begins at puberty and continues for as long as the person is healthy, okay, and this phase lasts longer in males. And this phase you can say the reproductive phase of males is longer than in females, okay. Now we will talk about females. During puberty the females ovaries enlarge हो जाती हैं ovaries and they begin to release eggs or you can say ova which is known as female gamete. एंड द प्रोसेस बाय विच ओवम इज़ रिलीज्ड उसको ओव्यूलेशन कहते हैं, ओके. ओव्यूलेशन क्या होता है? द प्रोसेस बाय विच ओवम इज़ रिलीज्ड फ्रॉम द ओवरी. एंड इन द बिगनिंग of the puberty starting में one ovum is released, okay, every 28 days, and during this period the uterus it prepares itself to receive the egg. In फीमेल्स जो भी रिप्रोडक्टिव फेस होता है लाइफ का इट बिगिनस at puberty, that is 10 to 12 years of age, and generally it lasts till 45 to 50 years. Means puberty 10 to 12 में start होती है years में, okay, in girls, and it lasts from 45 to 50. If fertilization does not occur, the released egg and causes bleeding in women, which is called menstruation, and menstruation it occurs in about 28 to 30 days, and the first menstrual flow begins at puberty, usko कहते हैं menarche, okay, and at the age of 45 to 50 years of age menstrual cycle it stops, okay, which is known as menopause, okay. Menopause is the stopping of menstrual cycle of the woman, and it's in between 45 to 50 years of age. And this whole cycle is regulated by two hormones which is produced by ovaries, estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen regulates menstrual cycle and ovulation, and progesterone it plays an important role in maintaining pregnancy, okay. Yes, now you can see here is ovulation and menstrual cycle shown to you. Now menstruation occurs, okay, here you can see menstruation occurs from day 1 to day 5th, okay, and then from day 12th of your menstruation to day 16th, this period is known as ovulation period, in which the process by which ovum is released. अब इस फेज में ओवरीज एनलार्ज हो जाती हैं, दे बिगिन टू रिलीज द एग और ओवा, एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड जो यूट्रस होती है, दिस यूट्रस इट प्रिपेयर्स इटसेल्फ टू रिसीव द एग, और जो इनर लाइनिंग होती है यूट्रस की वो थिक हो जाती है, स्पॉन्जी हो जाती है, एंड इट हैज़ लॉट्स ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स, ओके. आफ्टर ओवल्यूशन, अब ओवल्यूशन के बाद व्हाट हैपन दिस in this days, if fertilization occurs in the fallopian tube fallopian tube के अंदर if there is a male gamete present or you can say sperm is present, then the egg, it fuses, it get fused with the egg, and it shows, it forms zygote, okay, and that get implanted in the wall of the uterus, okay, and finally develops into a baby. But if there is no male zygote present, male ovum present, that is sperm, then what happens? The fertilization does not occur, okay, and that the egg is, this egg is released in the uterus, and the thickened lining of the uterus along with its blood vessels are shed. यहाँ पे ये जो egg है और जो ovary की जो lining thick हो गई, it is shed off in the form of blood, and which is known as menstruation, okay. And the menstrual flow, it lasts for about 4 to 6 days, and I told you menstruations occur once in about 20 to 30 days. Next is endocrine system. Now there are special structures which are known as glands, okay. These glands, they produce certain chemical secretions which are very important for our proper functioning of our body, okay. Now these glands, they are classified into two kinds, that is exocrine glands and another is endocrine gland. एक exocrine होते हैं, एक endocrine होते हैं. Now let's see the difference between both of these glands. Next is endocrine and exocrine में हम difference देखेंगे. Endocrine glands are those glands which secretes their chemical secretions directly into the bloodstream, okay. There is no duct. And exocrine glands, they secrete their chemical secretion into a thin tubes, or you can say thin ducts, ठीक है, और duct glands भी कहते हैं इनको. और उस जो endocrine glands होते हैं, they are ductless gland, okay. Next is जो secretory products होते हैं, endocrine gland के secretory जो chemical secretions को produce करते हैं, they are known as hormones. और जो exocrine gland के chemical secretions होते हैं, they are sweat, enzymes, mucus, sebum, okay. and इनका जो route of secretion भी differ करता है. जो endocrine gland है वो directly blood stream में mix होते हैं और target organ में पहुंच जाते हैं, और जो exocrine gland होते हैं वो duct में जाके internal organ में store होते हैं. From there they reach the target site, okay, और they act. Now endocrine glands जो हो गए, जिनको हम hormones भी कहते हैं, they are circulated by the blood in the whole body, okay. और hormones को हम chemical messengers भी कहते हैं, और these are required in very minute quantity, and different hormones, they perform specific role inside our body, okay. They control different functions, okay. Now we will discuss about the endocrine glands and their produced hormones. Before that, we will look the following diagram. This is a human endocrine system, okay. Hypothalamus in the brain, and underneath it there is a pituitary gland present. Then in the neck there is a thyroid and parathyroid gland. Then thymus. In stomach, above the stomach, pancreas are present. Then adrenal gland. Then testes in male and ovary in female. We will discuss about these glands and hormones produced by them in detail.